Hello everyone, I'm over Thai in the United States. Lately, I donated comforter to three comforter. I used them a couple years, and another one that I think 4 or 5 years. It's getting irritated on my skin. And then I purchased 3 new comforters. The first one I got very good price, king size. It on sale because it was the last one. The full price was 40 or 50 something. I got it for $20 with 2 pillowcases. One review complained about bad smell, and when watch smell better. I did that too. The smell when I unpack is fine. After watch smell good. This one is thick, good for winter. Another 2 just randomly I pick the same color. In fact, the first one I pick a little darker color, but in actual the color is lighter than in the picture. The price is 40 something. I'm gonna add for you to see. Just the plain color. The comforter I used before are printed. Now I just want to change and use all plain. And I like bright and light color better than darker, like very dark. So this is 41.26. And the other one I purchased second time. The first one color was light gray, and the second one, this one, size twin. I like the fabric just full, and the comforter are thin. They are good for not winter. When in winter, I will use the other one, the white, more thicker. Come with 1 pillowcase. I pair with the other color, come 1 pillowcase too. Delivery person, Amazon. My husband also shopping. So this is $39.99. Good for not very cold, not for winter. Purchase all from eBay. Thank you. Bye.